job, Granny.
Stay where Mama can see you. Sit down and
Yeah, bro. Loving it?
Yep.
Awesome. Hopefully it's going to be legit. It's pretty crowded, so it must be good. It does have good reviews online.
This is for Melody.
So in the future, this would be our upgrade when we get older. We need more space to spread out, whatever. For now, we're still young and flexible, but this is pretty badass. I bet it's amazing inside.
Do you want your twisted tea?
Sure.
There's your caffeine. Just a little bit.
Nice. Good thinking. I'm gonna go hiking today. Just a real short hike because JoJo got stung.
Yeah.
Her little paw.
She was under the car to get away from the bees and they stung her. They attacked her under the car.
Yeah, so we're gonna still do this short hike. There's a lookout tower where we're gonna break out the backpack. She'll love that. And then after that, we're gonna go hit the touristy spot, go get some ice cream, and figure it out from there. We're thinking maybe eating dinner, cooking dinner on the rim somewhere. And,
For sunset.
For the sunset, yeah, that'll be amazing. And then tomorrow, wake up. If we can get up early enough, we'll catch that sunrise. And then head to Flagstaff for a couple hours, check that out, get some lunch there, continue the celebration, and then head home. Sounds like a plan, right? you obviously never watched that Brady. What's that fucking show? The Brady Bunch. That Brady Bunch episode.
Oh yeah.
Where they-
go on vacation.
Yeah, and they took the sacred stone and all this bad juju started happening. That's what's gonna happen.
Oh yeah.
I wouldn't mess around. The wind gods are already getting mad. You hear that?
Oh yeah.
Let's see what you got.
The red rocks.
Nice. This is cool. Place to chill out and sit in the shade.
Get out.
Wiggle your way out. Come on. Come on, Jojo. Come on. Look at that tongue.
Are you scared? She hasn't been outside since she got stung. Oh yeah, she has. By the car. This is cooler.